Hello. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Hi Kenzie. Hi Lasya. Hi. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Sorry, there is a disturbance outside. Hi Madhavi. Yes, you can use doodle pens also, no problem. You can use doodle pens. No, not an issue. You can use the doodle pens. Uh, Sorry, there is a disturbance in the background. Down. Let us wait for a few more members to join. So let the disturbance go away. I'll just say the materials we use now. You all can hear me, right? My workplace is visible, right? Light and all are okay. Please let me know if okay. Just give a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. So I'll just see you the materials I'm using now. See, you can also use pens or different color pens. See, in this way you can use pens or else you can use sketches. You can use sketches. So I'm using, see, the materials I'm using now: compass, protractor, scale. These are very important for mandalas. Okay, to draw mandala, these tools are very important. So let me see. Where are the other ones? Please, someone message in the group that live has started. Someone please message in the group that live has started. Please come online. It's already 3-4. Are you all enjoying the classes? I don't know why you all are not coming online every day. Very few people are coming online every day. I see Kenzie every day. Very good Kenzie. I also see Sri Vidya, Lashya every day. But what about others? What is happening? Are you not interested? Is anything boring in the classes? Hope you all are enjoying the classes.
మరియు అమ్మకాలు తేదీలు జనవరి 1వ తేదీ నుండి జనవరి 12వ తేదీ వరకు వేదిక డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ కళాక్షేత్రం నందు వీక్లీ మార్కెట్ దగ్గర సెక్టర్ 5 స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్ విశాఖపట్నం.
Doodle pens are nothing but we just draw some designs like thin pens. We'll have, see, this type of pens. See, very thin tip pens we'll get. We'll get very thin tip pens to just doodle. Different colors we'll get. Those are doodle pens. So I'll see few more minutes, then I'll start. So I'm using sketch pens. I'll just use black sketch. Mainly I'll use black sketch, this protractor, compass, and a scale, and a black gel pen. Not ball pen, I will use gel pen. Gel pen will be easy to fill up. So I'm using gel pen, okay, and a pencil and eraser. Pencil, eraser, okay. These are the things I'm using today. Thank you, Lasya. So these are the materials I'm using today, and this mandalas are very good for us. Actually, these have some healing powers. It can help you in stress. It can maintain your stress. You can just take away your stress. These mandalas are very important. Okay, fine. If you're not having black gel pen, that's fine. You can use ball pen for today. That's fine. आप बॉल पेन यूज कर सकती हो आज के लिए, but prefer to buy a black gel pen. That will be too good. Like it will go smooth. Okay, and black sketch is important, or else you can just take this type of pens. You'll get a set of this type of pens, color pens. See, so these are also very helpful. Okay, so these are the things I'll use, and mandalas are very important for us. Like it can cure your anxiety, stress, everything. It helps you in your health issues also. This isn't just mandala is nothing but in circle. It heals you. In Hinduism and Buddhism, these are very scared symbols. Mandalas are very scared symbols. So I'll just start from the beginning, like basics. I'll teach you today. This will be very helpful to you. You can just draw these mandalas whenever you are in stress or something, in a bad mood or something. That will help you out. Okay. So let us start now. Okay, fine. Now, black marker pen will help you out, but on paper, okay, fine, you can use, and you can also. I'm just today telling on this thick paper. I'm just telling on this thick paper today, but you can also do mandalas on your canvas or cardboard or anything. You can just frame it and keep it on the wall. See, uh, on that canvas and cardboard, you just need to use only the permanent black marker. Okay, no sketch pen should be used on that canvas and cardboards. This is an thick chart paper book. That's the reason I'm using sketch. But for canvas and cardboards, you just need to use that black marker only. Okay, permanent black marker only you need to use. Okay, uh, so I'll just start. It's already 3:10, so I'll just start. See, just first you need to take a scale, and just you need to measure the book from one side. You need to measure the length of the book first. See, you just need to measure the length of the book. See, at the ending you just need to keep the zero tip, 01. You are able to hear me, right? See, take a pencil and from 0 I got 28. Length is 28 here. Okay, 28. Length is 28. So I'll just mark at the half. Half of 28 is 14. So I'll just mark at the half. Okay. So from 0 I kept, and this length is 28. Here it is 28. So half of this I need to mark. So I am marking at 14. Okay, I am marking at 14. So now I need to measure the breadth. Okay, breadth measure करना है. अभी देखो 0 में एक end पे रख रही हूँ. 0 I am keeping at one end and other end is 21 over here. This breadth is 21 centimeters over here, and again I need to mark the middle wala. So 21 by 2 is 10.5. So I am marking 10.5 over here. See, I am marking 10.5 over here. If you have any doubts, please let me know. So now I'll just draw lines lightly, not dark, very dark, because we need to erase the lines afterwards. Okay, so first you need to draw the lines so light, not light that it will not be visible. It should be visible, but it should also be erasable. There should not be any marks over the sheet. Okay, in that way you need to draw lines. Okay, see, you are able to see, right? See, see, in this way I have just made a plus symbol and a meeting point over here. See, middle point is over here. Middle point is over here. Now you just take an protractor. You just take a protractor and keep at the center. Keep at the center. Okay, keep at the center and just mark 10 degrees gap. With 10 degrees gap you need to mark. Okay, see, at 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees, 70, 80, 90 is already there. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160 and 170. Okay, in this way you need to just mark the all the measurements over the protractor. You can also keep it this way and mark this way, but we can also just keep this way and see the centers and just draw the lines. Okay, you just need to draw the lines now. See, in this way you can, yeah, you can take 37. Half will be 18.5. You can take 18.5. You can take, okay, 18.5 you can take. 37 by 2 if you do, you will get 37 by 2 you can do, you will get a measurement. So 37 by 2 is 18.5 something you will get. Understood, Lasya? 18.5, right? Can see. Thank you. So in this way you just need to draw lines. Okay, you just need to draw lines in this way. Through the center only you need to draw. Through the center. Okay, through the center you need to draw. These are the way which we normally draw mandalas. This is very important to draw mandala with the measurements. Okay, it's very important. We just can't draw a mandala with our own hands because uh, circles and symmetry matters in mandalas. Okay, symmetry matters in mandala. Okay, it should be symmetric. Okay, mandalas should be symmetric. So this measurements should be perfect. Okay. See, you all are able to see, right? Hope you are understanding. Hope you are understanding. Why only 4 people are online today? I don't know. No one is interested in learning mandalas. Mandalas are very. Yes, it should touch the bottoms. No problem, you should touch the bottom. See how I'm drawing. See. See. Okay. This will help you healing you out. These mandalas are actually which will help you very nicely because when I'm bored or when I'm angry, I'll just do this only. This will help us out a lot. Yeah, you can just bring different kind of shapes, designs in this. Okay, so mandala is an part of universe, like it's an circle. It is an form of a universe. Okay, that will bring our inner peace. Okay, so that's the reason mandalas are very famous now. Even doctors suggest art therapy by mandalas and all. So that's the reason I just took this art form today. And these are the basics. Okay, and these are the basics because we have very small children. So 10 above, we have 10 years and above. So these are the basics. Okay, I'll just show you some designs also, no problem. How we will draw designs and all. So till now you understood, right? Till now you understood, right? How to draw lines. Everyone understood, right? Okay. So now take an compass. Take a compass and keep it in the center. Okay. Keep it in the center and draw lines, circles randomly, or you can also take some measurements and draw. Okay, see, you can take a scale, and on one line you can just measure 10 10 10 1 or 1 centimeter 1 centimeter gap you can just keep, and you can just mark, and then you can just draw circles on that, or else you can draw randomly also. In this way, randomly you can just draw circles. See, so you can just increase some space and just draw in this way. See, in this way you can just increase, go on increasing and draw. Okay, this way go on increasing and draw circles. Go on increasing the radius slightly and start drawing the circle. In this way you need to draw circles till the end. Okay, till the ending you need to draw the circles. See, like this. Till the ending of the page you just need to draw the circle. Okay, see, till the ending I have drawn the circle here. Okay, see, got it? Or if you want to draw till here also, that's fine, you can draw, no issues. See, in this way I'll draw. I'll just increase the radius more and I'm drawing. See, this side also I'll just. Okay, now I'll just erase this remaining lines. See, got it? See, I'll just draw this way and I'll erase remaining lines outside. See, so you're understanding, right? So if you want, you can draw big circle also. Even you can draw here also. Even here you can draw. Here you can draw. But my compass is small one. I just drew this way. You will get big compass so that it can go. It can give you big circles also. Okay. So see, in this way I have completed grids in a circle, right? Circle with grids. Okay, circle with grids. I have completed circle with grids. Got it till now? Till now you got it, right? Everyone got it till now? If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay. So I'll take now. This is how we draw grids. Okay, this is how we draw grids. Now I'll show you some uh, designs, basic designs. Okay, I'll show you some basic designs. So starting here we can just keep a circle over here. See, we can keep a circle over here in this way. You can keep a circle over here and fill it. Okay, you can just keep a circle and fill it, but you need to uh, leave a bit space in this way. See, I'll show you. It should be white in the corner as if it's shining. Okay, as if it's shining, you need to just leave. See, in this way. See, got it? In this way, you need to leave a small white portion as if it is shining. Okay, got it? Then you need to just draw the shapes, different shapes. See, you can draw one U type shape in one grid. See, in this way, you can a small flower type thing you can do here. Actually, I should not take this black sketch. I need to take a pen. You just need to take a pen, not this much thick. See, in this way you need to draw in the patterns. Okay, now you just need to take a pen, actually gel pen or any pen you want, you can just take, and you can just draw in two different grids or one grid. See, I just said in one grid. Right now in one grid I have drawn this U. Now in two grids I'll draw. See, I'll draw a flower shape. See, in two grids, using two grids. This is the center, you are able to see, right? This is the center, and from here I'll just take here and I'll just draw here. See, in this way I will draw the design. See, see how I'm drawing. You're able to understand, right? Everyone is able to understand. See, in this two grids, this is one grid and this is these two grids. Taking these two grids and this as center, I'm just drawing this flower petal. Okay, in this way. I'm just taking two grids. Here I have taken only one grid. Here I am taking two grids. Okay. In that way you need to take grid wise and draw the designs. Okay. Grid wise you need to take and draw the designs. You can take three grids or three grid design, two grid design, four grid design and all. Okay. You are able to hear me, right? Please say something. I'm not understanding whether you are understanding or no. Are you okay? I think only we have Lashya, Kensi, and Mana. I think we have Madhavi. Okay. Please let me know. Are you all understanding? See, please, please let me know if you all are understanding or no. See, in this way, I have drawn this petals. Okay. So, I'll just make this thick lines and draw a line in between. See, I already see doodle pen will be in this way. See, doodle pen will be in this way. Unable to make a grid. Just use the protractor. Protractor को use करो. Protractor को use करो. You will get grid. See, protractor में जो ये 10, 20 वो होता है ना, उसको मार्क करो. 10 के पास एक, 20 के पास एक, 30 के पास एक, ऐसे मार्क करो. ऐसे ऊपर मार्क करना और नीचे भी करना. तुम नहीं मार्क कर सकते, ग्रिड नहीं हो रहा है तो नीचे भी मार्क करना. ऐसे 10, 20, 30, 40 नीचे भी करना. और स्केल लेके ऐसे दोनों को ज्वाइन करना. मिडिल से, मिडिल में जाना है. थ्रू मिडिल जाना है. थ्रू मिडिल जाना है. मैं फिर से आप तुम लोगों को ग्रिड बनाना सिखाती हूँ. एक मिनट. मैं एक बोलती हूँ. ये बोल के मैं ग्रिड फिर से सिखाती हूँ तुम लोगों को. See, in this way. Yes, I'll just teach patterns. So I just said how to use the grids, right? Now these are the grids. We need to draw patterns in the grids. Okay, we can take two grids and use draw a pattern, one grid and draw a pattern. We can also use three grids and draw a pattern. See, here I am using only one grid. See, one grid use करके मैं पैटर्न बना रही हूँ. See, one grid use करके मैं पैटर्न बना रही हूँ. देखो, ये वन ग्रिड यूज करके मैंने पैटर्न बनाया. ठीक है, अभी मैं टू ग्रिड्स यूज करके पैटर्न बताती हूँ. देखो, मैं टू ग्रिड्स 1 2 ग्रिड्स यूज करके ये पैटर्न किया. देखो ऐसे. अभी मैं 2 ग्रिड्स यूज करके पैटर्न किया. अभी 3 ग्रिड्स कैसे करना है. देखो 1 2 3 है ना. 3 ग्रिड्स ऐसे करना है. ऐसे देखा, ऐसे 3 ग्रिड्स पैटर्न ले सकते हो तुम. ऐसे 3 ग्रिड्स पैटर्न ले सकते हो. ऐसे कुछ भी पैटर्न तुम्हारे मर्जी. ओके, देख से 3 grids pattern you can take. Okay, and now 4 grids also I'll teach. 1 2 3 4 grids. See, 4 grid pattern you can just ऐसे करके ऐसे बना सकते हो. देखो ऐसे कुछ भी ऐसे 4 grids में. Okay, yeah, I'll teach you patterns also. See, I have already drawn some patterns. I'm just saying how to use the grids. Right now. Okay, now all understood how to use the grids, right? Grids में बनाना सीख गए ना. ग्रिड्स समझ में आए ना सभी लोगों को. अभी मैं पैटर्न्स बताती हूँ आप लोगों को. ठीक है, कैसे ग्रिड्स यूज करना है. ओके, राइट. How to use the grids you all got, right? 1 grid, 2 grids, 3 grids and 4 grids. How to use. Now I'll show you how to draw the patterns, different patterns. See, these are some of the patterns. See, these are some of the patterns. I'll just post this in the group also. These are some basic patterns which can be used in the mandalas. Okay, which can be used in the mandalas. Okay, see, this one is very easy. You are seeing, right? Everyone is getting right. So these all I'll just post in the group. These are some patterns, and right now I'll also give you some patterns. Yeah, I'll teach how to make the grid. See, first I'll teach how to make the grid again, and I'll just say you how to draw some patterns. Okay, so take a scale. Okay, scale को लेके एक लेंथ को मेजर करो. फर्स्ट लेंथ को मेजर करो. लेंथ कितना है? 28 है. हाँ, ठीक है. 28 का हाफ क्या होगा? 14 होगा. तो मैं 14 पे मार्क कर रही हूँ. ऐसे 14 पे मार्क कर रही हूँ. देखो 14 पे मार्क कर रही हूँ. ऐसे 14 पे मार्क किया मैंने. फिर से अभी ब्रेथ को देखो. ब्रेथ, ये जो ब्रेथ है ना, ये देखो. अभी ये मेरे जो पेपर है उसका ब्रेथ है 21 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, 21 सेंटीमीटर्स. सो इसका हाफ होगा 10.5. सो मैं 10.5 में मार्क कर रही हूँ. 10.5 पे मार्क किया. देखो मार्क किया ना, यहाँ 10.5 पे मार्क किया. और अभी मैं स्केल रखती हूँ. स्ट्रेट रख के एक सीधा लाइन करती हूँ. ठीक है, एक सीधा लाइन किया. देखो सीधा लाइन किया ना. अभी फिर से ये जो 14 के पास मैंने पॉइंट रखा ना, उससे एक और लाइन बना रही हूँ. देखो एक और लाइन बनाया. ठीक है, अभी क्या हो गया, मेरा जो सेंटर है वो आ गया. सेंटर आ गया ना, हमारा सेंटर आ गया. तो अभी इस सेंटर पे ना हम प्रोट्रैक्टर रखेंगे. ये जो प्रोट्रैक्टर है हम सेंटर पे रखेंगे. ऐसे रखेंगे प्रोट्रैक्टर. देखो सेंटर पे रखेंगे प्रोट्रैक्टर. ठीक है, सेंटर पे देखो ये सेंटर पे रखेंगे प्रोट्रैक्टर. ठीक है, ऐसे रख के 1 मिनट अभी आते हैं. ये ना भाई, सॉरी फॉर द डिस्टर्बेंस। देखो इस सेंटर पे रख के ना अभी आप लोगों को क्या करना है, देखो ये जो 10 डिग्रीज है यहाँ ऊपर 10 डिग्रीज है ना, वहाँ एक पॉइंट रखो, ओके। और 20 डिग्रीज पे एक पॉइंट रखो और 30 डिग्रीज पे एक पॉइंट रखो। ऐसे 40 पे, 50 पे, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, ओके, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, ओके। देखो ऐसे पॉइंट्स रखना है, ठीक है। दिखा रहा है आप लोगों को, दिख रहा है ना? देखो मैंने पॉइंट्स रखा ऐसे, ठीक है। अभी ऊपर रख, मैंने ऊपर रख के किया ना अभी प्रोट्रैक्टर को, अभी नीचे रखो ऐसे, ऐसे नीचे रखो, अभी नीचे रखो, ऐसे नीचे रख के सेंटर पे रखो, ऐसे सेंटर पे रखो फिर से, ठीक है। फिर से सेंटर पे रख के, yes, you have to put on 10 degrees also, 10 degrees also you have to put a point, okay. So now you can just rotate your protractor. See, you just need to rotate your protractor and just keep at the center in this way. See, in the center in this way, okay. अभी ऊपर किया ना तुम लोग, ऊपर कर लिया ना, अभी ऊपर कर लिया ना, अभी इसको रोटेट करके ना नीचे भी ऐसे करो, नीचे भी ऐसे करो, देखो नीचे भी फर्स्ट, नीचे भी 10, 20, 20, 20 पे 10 के पास एक पॉइंट, 20 के पास एक पॉइंट, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180। देखो एक सर्कल फॉर्म हो गया ना, देखो सभी को दिख रहा है ना? एक मिनट में लाइट डालती हूँ, दिख रहा है नहीं, देखो दिख रहा है ना सभी को? एक सर्कल फॉर्म हो गया ना, अभी एक सर्कल फॉर्म हो गया ना। देखा, दिख रहा है ना सभी लोगों को? अभी क्या करेंगे, ए मिडिल पे रखो स्केल, मिडिल पे रखो स्केल ना, मिडिल जो सेंटर पॉइंट है ना उस पे रखो, और दो पॉइंट्स को एक लाइन पे कनेक्ट करो। देखो देखो ये जो पॉइंट है उस पे रखो स्केल, और उस साइड एक पॉइंट, इस साइड एक पॉइंट को जोड़ो, ठीक है। उस साइड there one point and here one point, you need to bring the scale straight, okay, straight, it should come straight, see, straight it should come, okay. That side one point and this side one point, straight it should come, and you need to just draw a line. See, sorry, it missed my center. See, सेंटर पे आना है, ठीक है, सेंटर पे, सेंटर के नीचे या ऊपर नहीं आने हैं, वो लाइन सेंटर पे ही आना है, ऑन द सेंटर, इट शुड, द लाइन शुड गो ऑन द सेंटर, ओके, ऑन द सेंटर थ्रू द 2 पॉइंट्स। सी ऐसे जो सेंटर है ना उसके ऊपर से ये दोनों पॉइंट को कनेक्ट होना है, ठीक है। ये दोनों पॉइंट्स को कनेक्ट करना है ये सेंटर के ऊपर जाके, ठीक है, सेंटर पे जाके उसका ऐसे यहाँ नहीं आना है, यहाँ नहीं आना है, ऑन द सेंटर इट शुड गो, द पॉइंट शुड गो, द लाइन शुड गो ऑन द सेंटर itself. Then again you just take another 2 points and measure, keep at the center and just draw another line in this way. See, in this way you need to join 2 points, 2 points को आप join करना है। ध्यान में रखिए कि सेंटर थ्रू ही जाना है लाइन, ठीक है। उस साइड एक पॉइंट और उस साइड एक पॉइंट, स्केल शुड बी स्ट्राइट एंड द लाइन शुड गो थ्रू द सेंटर ओनली। समझ में आया अभी श्रीविद अलाशिया, समझ में आया? अभी अभी आप लोगों को कुछ पैटर्न्स बोलती हूँ मैं। क्या है यही बोलती हूँ। देखो एक पैटर्न बोलती हूँ अभी आप लोगों को। देखो देखो एवरी टाइम यू मेक ए पैटर्न यू जस्ट नीड टू ड्रॉ ऊपर वाला लाइन एंड नीचे वाला लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है। देयर शुड बी एन आउटलाइन ऊपर एंड नीचे। आप लोगों को दिख रहा है ना? देखो ऐसे होना है, ऐसे 2 लाइन करना है। और अभी तुम लोगों को ना ऐसे कुछ भी आपकी आपकी मर्जी से आप कुछ भी अच्छे अच्छे पैटर्न्स बना सकती हो। ऐसे यू शेप ऐसे कर सकती हो, पहले ऐसे यू यू कर सकती हो। और नेक्स्ट यू कैन मेक ए लोटस ओवर हियर इनसाइड, ऐसे पेटल्स जैसे बना सकती हो इनसाइड में। दिख रहा है ना सभी को? ऐसे पेटल्स जैसे बन सकते हैं अंदर। देखो अभी ये जो लाइन है डबल लाइन करो, ऐसे डबल लाइन करो, डबल लाइन अंदर में डबल लाइन करो। अभी स्केच पेन ले सकते हो या फिर उस पेन से ही आप ऐसे इसको कलर कर सकती हो। आप ना ब्लैक कर सकते हो कलर, या फिर कुछ आपको ग्रीन का मंडाला चाहिए तो वो ये जो आउटलाइन है ना वो सब ना तुम ग्रीन पे कर सकते हो, ग्रीन कलर पे कर सकते हो ऐसे। ऐसे ग्रीन या फिर येलो या फिर ऑरेंज, आपकी मर्जी। आप लोग क्या क्या कलर का मंडाला बनाना है ना, इस वो जो कलर को आप लेके कर सकते हो ऐसे। ऐसे ये भी फिल करो, ऐसा अच्छा दिखेगा। ओके दिख रहा है ना वीडियो? सॉरी कुछ दिख रहा है ना अभी आप लोगों को? कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? ब्लर हो रहा है वीडियो? देखो अब दिख रहा है अभी? इज इट ओके नाउ? वीडियो अभी भी ब्लर दिख रहा है? देखो these are some patterns you can use in mandalas. These are some basic patterns you can use in mandalas. Please let me know if video is blur. I'll just again set my camera and I'll just say you again. वीडियो ठीक से है अभी? Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. So See, these are some of the easy patterns you can use to draw mandalas. Okay. See, these are very easy patterns which are used to draw mandalas. Okay. So you can also see, you can also draw this way. You can also draw a box and you can just make in this way a spiral with a square box. See, spiral with a square box. In this way and just draw the outline. Every time you draw, you just need to draw the outline again. Okay. So or else you can just draw some flowers in this way, flower petals. See, in this way you can draw just some petals and just you can fill it up like this. See, these are very easy patterns. No, mandalas freehand cannot be drawn because there will be the mandala should be symmetry. Symmetry only. And yes, so many draw mandalas freehand, but it looks beautiful only when they are symmetry. Like if certain patterns are followed, then only the mandalas looks neat and clean. If mandala will not be in a symmetric form, that will not look good actually. No, there are no specific patterns. You can follow any of the patterns you like. Like see, I'm just drawing leaves over here and just I'm filling it up. But remember, see in this way you just need to draw some outline and this fill it up like a spiral one or some leaf shape. In this way, any pattern you can follow. There is no specifications in patterns. Okay, so this way, but symmetry is very important for mandalas. It should be symmetry. So the circle should be perfect circle and the grid should be perfect. So that's the reason I'm saying you just need to use the protractor and compass for compulsory. Okay. So I'll say you some other patterns like see. You can also draw some triangles. See triangles. These are very easy patterns. See, ऊपर में आप फिल कर सकते हो ऐसे ऊपर में आप फिलिंग जो होता है ना ये फिलिंग आपकी मर्जी ब्लैक ले सकते हो या फिर कुछ कलर ले सकते हो ये जो सबका फिलिंग एक ही कलर में करने से बहुत सुंदर दिखेगा every filling should be in one color like see I'm doing full black filling so it's looking beautiful and if you want to draw any yellow filling then completely you do with the yellow filling only okay then it looks so beautiful and yes you can also do colorful filling also you can also do colorful filling also no problem then you need to use all the colors okay and this way see. Got it? These are the some of the patterns. I'll just keep this patterns in the group photo I'll take and I'll just keep in the group. See, it's already 3:50. Okay, then I'll just take some um, drop shape. I'm just taking a drop shape over here. See, drop. I'm just taking a drop shape. See, it's my imagination. Just this is my imagination and my inner imagination. Like it brings my inner talent. That's all. So in this way, I'll just do some patterns by my own. And I have also drawn in mandala, which I have not yet completed. See, I'll show you that also. See, in this way, see, I have draw I'm doing it by my own. I'm not just I have not, I don't know this type of patterns anywhere. I'm just doing it by my own. See, in this way we can, uh, yes, I'll just show you 1 second. See, these are some patterns. See, okay, these are some patterns and I'll fill it up here. See, filling should be compulsorily done here or there because fillings look beautiful. Okay, fillings in mandalas will look very beautiful. Okay. Okay, fillings in mandalas are looks very beautiful. So I'll just show you. See, see, in this way, this is a mandala. I have started 1 hour back. I not completed it. So I'll just show you. See, I have used so many patterns over here. I have just used so many grids. This is 2 grid wala. This is 1 grid wala one. See, in this way, I am using so many grids. See, in this way, see, I have filled it with black. If you fill it with violet or red or anything, see, this black filling will be violet. Imagine it will be very beautiful. That will be a violet mandala. Okay, or red one you use or yellow one you use. If you use yellow one, it will look as a sun mandala. Okay, fine, understood. See, in this way I'll just show you. See, I'm using only this 1 grid now. See, this 1 grid I'll use and I'll draw a flower like lotus over here. See, I'm using just 1 grid and I'm drawing lotus over here, lotus type. See, okay. In this way we need to just, this is just our imagination and it brings our inner talent and our inner peace. See, it goes on that way. While drawing, we'll get some new ideas, we'll forget everything, we'll go on getting some new ideas and we'll enjoy doing this. Trust me, you'll enjoy doing this. If you have any if you are in any stress or anything, you just sit and do this type of mandalas. You'll just go on getting new ideas and all. Okay, you'll just go getting new ideas, new innovations and all that will like engage you in this. It will give you so much of peace. In this way, just to go on drawing some new patterns. You wish patterns can be anything. If like I have so many patterns with me right now. I'll send you some basic patterns in the group which I have showed you now. Remember, after drawing this, just draw this outline also. Okay, see, I have used so many things over here. I have used a triangle, I have used an U shape, I have used an flower petal shape. Here I have used an flower. See, so many. Yes, like meditation, right? You are right, Balbir ma'am. Like meditation is very useful for you. You, it's like meditation only. It gives you so much of peace. Like you don't. It is a type of concentration, right? You need so much of concentration in this. You need so much of patience. Okay, and you love doing this. Just try it. I trust me. Try it. You'll love this. Love the mandalas. You just try different types. If you have any doubts, concern, you can just message me personally regarding this mandalas. Okay, or you can just message in the group. You can call me anything, right? See, in this way, I'm just, see, it looks beautiful, right? This is just my imagination. I don't know, like I have not seen these patterns anywhere. This is just my imagination. By my own imagination, I'm just drawing these patterns. Okay. If you want to learn patterns, then I have so many pattern ideas with me. Like today, This is as in basic class. I'm just teaching this one now, right now. Slowly, just sit peacefully by your own space, be in your own space, and just start doing this. You'll love it. So, I think, thank you. Thank you, Balbir ma'am. Thank you. So, it's already 3:56. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'll just complete it and post it in the group as soon as possible. If there is any doubts regarding this mandalas, if you have any doubts regarding the grids, measurements, and patterns and all, please let me know now. I'll just clarify the doubts. See, now I'll fill this with the black one. See, I'll just draw the outline over here this way. See, you can use this mandalas in different ways. I'll show you for an example. See, here I used the mandala for drawing the gel pen. Yes, actually there will be an artistic gel pen which you'll get online. You can use that Shipra, or else you can normally use a normal gel pen which we get over here. There is no issue, but the gel pens artists use, right, they are very smooth. That will be very helpful for you. See in this picture I have just used see mandala designs and all the circles and all I just used in this one. See, if you can see this thoroughly, you will find out the designs. There are so many patterns in this design, like in this picture. In this way also you can use. Okay, and see, I'll show you another one. See, this way also color you can take colorful pictures and you can draw this type of sceneries also. See, got it? This type of sceneries also you can draw with colorful sketches. Okay, so as of now, like this, in this way I'll just draw in see, I just drawed in pattern and I'll just fill it up with this. See, I'll just fill it the complete one with black now. See, I'm just filling it up. See, it look beautiful. Filling looks very beautiful. When you look it, you'll just you'll just love it by the art you did. You love it because these patterns are the ones which come from your mind. You'll just love this. See, in this way I'm just filling it up. Okay, so it's already 4. So if there are any doubts, please let me know, or else we'll wind up. I'll just complete this and I'll just post in the group. Please let me know if there are any doubts, or else we'll wind up. Okay, then so So then, okay, I'll just complete this and I'll keep in the group. Okay, then. Have a nice day. Hope you all enjoyed this mandala drawing. Hope you'll all attend my other section, all other sessions also. Try maximum number of people to attend the live sessions, because if you have any doubts, we just want to clarify them right in the live, or else you can also message us or call us again. But the live experience will be very good for you and us also. So please come live every day, and please submit the articles. Hope I'll get this mandala articles by tomorrow or by the evening. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye.